Hello, Ullman community, friends near and far. Greetings from Baltimore, from my home to yours. As we settle into this new lifestyle with COVID 19, more consciously, carefully, and unfortunately more physically distant than ever, I wanted to take an opportunity to share with you what we are doing at Ullman to keep community alive while also protecting and caring for the most vulnerable among us. Let me start first by thanking many of you for reaching out to ask how you can help and to inquire about how our clients are doing. In today's day and age, the only constant seems to be change, but for now, let me give you an update from Ullman. Caring for our clients and delivering our mission continues to be our top priority. Cancer treatment isn't stopping amidst this global coronavirus pandemic. And so Ullman House and our patient navigation services will continue to operate with a few modifications. At Ullman House, our primary focus is on the health of our long-term residents who live with weakened immune systems after transplants or surgeries and through chemotherapy and radiation. We stepped up our already thorough cleaning regimen, put away our favorite shared puzzles for now, and are facilitating grocery delivery or pickup so residents can stay out of the stores. Until we're through with this, we're prohibiting visitors, including volunteers, and limiting our staff team to a consistent 3 team members. We're referring those with short-term stay needs to our partner, the Lord Baltimore Hotel, to limit the possibility of bringing the virus into Ullman House and among those who are with us for the long haul. Our patient navigators are following the recommendations and regulations of the hospitals where they're based, while stepping up our remote navigation efforts as well, which is available through our website or our toll-free phone number. We've canceled non-essential gatherings of patients for the time being, like our Where You Meet events and other support groups. But we will be innovating to leverage technology however we can, so stay tuned to join some gatherings online. Despite the strong headwinds, we will continue to use movement to move forward. Movement has been and will always be a big part of our Ullman community, and so many of you that are a part of it. Our movement-based events and experiences are the heart and soul. We're saddened to postpone April's Key to Keys experience, and we will announce a new date as soon as we're able to. And in the spirit of 4K OK, a favorite rallying cry of our cross-country cyclists and runners, we're not making any changes to the 4K for Cancer at this time, but we'll continue to monitor the situation and update participants and families as we know more. And our Cancer to 5K teams who are in season currently will go virtual. Thankfully, running and walking outside, solo or with a safe distance from others, is one of the best things that we can all do right now. So our coaches and teammates will give and get support via email and Facebook groups. Preparing for the future is also a top priority. We envision a world where no young adult has to face cancer alone. None of us knows what is going to go on and how long this is going to last and what our economy will look like after it. Living in uncertainty is tough. The one thing we are certain of, though, is just how essential our work is and continues to be. During this time of social distancing, we must combat isolation even more vigilantly. So here's how you can help. Reach out. Most of us have extra time on our hands now that all of our activities are canceled. Think of those who may be struggling the most and give them a call. Friends in treatment, folks who live alone, or healthcare providers who are going that extra mile. Everyone could use a connection and some encouragement right about now. Dedicate. When you go outside for a walk, a run, or a ride, dedicate your miles to someone you care for, someone who is struggling. And write that on your leg and share it on social media and tag Ullman Foundation. Give. Our guess is as good as yours when it comes to the future of our economy. The Ullman Foundation is powered nearly completely by philanthropy, and there's a real risk that some events and several fundraising initiatives we are counting on could be canceled. Individual support will be more important than ever this year to enable us to plan confidently for the future and to keep our services running smoothly. If you can, please consider making your annual gift now or signing up to give monthly through our dedication circle. Our values, more than ever, have the depth and the meaning that we created them for to our team. And we hope you're reminded and remember them. Be human, be committed, be courageous, and be better. We thank you for being a part of our Ullman community and joining us in living these values out innovatively and creatively to bring us together to build community in a time when we are as distant as we have ever been. Thank you and good health.